Welcome to the NewsRamp Psychedelics podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, and I'm thrilled to have you with us today. NewsRamp.com curates the latest business news from leading newswires, bringing you the most relevant stories to keep you informed and inspired. Now, a quick note before we dive in. While this podcast is produced with the assistance of AI and AI voices, rest assured that the stories we're sharing are very real, and the complete news stories can be found at NewsRamp.com. It's Monday evening, May 5th, 2025, and we have a lineup of Psychedelics headlines and stories that you won't want to miss. So grab your coffee, lace up those running shoes, or settle into your favorite chair, and let's get started. Here is our first headline. Investor news breaks. Cybin Inc., NYS American CYBN, CEO to speak at Milken Global Conference on medical breakthroughs. Cybin Inc. CEO Doug Drysdale is scheduled to speak at the 28th Annual Milken Institute Global Conference on May 5th at 2:30 p.m. PDT. Drysdale will participate in the panel, The Global Landscape and Opportunities for Medical Breakthroughs, to discuss drug development innovation and next-generation mental health treatments. The event will take place at the Beverly Hilton in Los Angeles, with a live stream and replay available on Cybin's investor website. Cybin is a clinical-stage biopharmaceutical company focused on creating safe and effective psychedelic-based therapeutics for mental health conditions. For more information about Cybin and its research pipeline, visit www.cybin.com.
Biomed news breaks. Pharma Inc., NASDAQ CELO, reports positive preclinical data for SP-26 Ketamine Implant. Pharma Inc., CELO, has reported positive preclinical data for its SP-26 Ketamine Implant, designed to treat fibromyalgia. The study, conducted in mini-pigs, showed favorable results with sustained ketamine release for up to 22 days, meeting all safety and tolerability endpoints. CEO Eric Weisblum highlighted SP-26 as a next-generation pain therapy, offering a safer alternative to opioids. This implant, aimed at subcutaneous delivery, may be the first at-home injectable ketamine-based therapeutic. Pharma focuses on developing therapies for stress-induced psychiatric disorders, chronic pain conditions, and CNS diseases, with programs like SPC-15 for PTSD and stress-induced anxiety disorders. For more information, visit silopharma.com. Investor news breaks. Pharma Inc., NASDAQ CELO, files patent application for Alzheimer's drug SPC-14. Pharma Inc. has filed a patent application for SPC-14, a novel intranasal compound licensed from Columbia University targeting cognitive and neuropsychiatric symptoms in Alzheimer's disease. The patent covers SPC-14's mechanism of action focused on glutamate receptor NMAR and serotonin 5-HT4, with preclinical studies showing potential improvements in cognitive memory function. This filing supports CELO's broader intellectual property strategy for protecting its drug platforms, including SPC-15 for PTSD and stress-induced anxiety disorders, and SP-26 for fibromyalgia and chronic pain relief. CELO's research and development programs are conducted through collaborations with universities and independent laboratories.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Psychedelics podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.